Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have a 2007 Chrysler Town and Country LX van. It is a trade-in that we recently acquired. Plenty of space. It seats 7 passengers, including the driver. Has the dual sliding doors here. Plenty of storage compartment underneath the 2 cabins in the floor there. Seats do move forward and do some different positions so you can have more access to the rear seats. 3rd row seat in the back. It also comes equipped with front and rear AC, power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player, good tires all the way around, body side moldings, body color matching door handles, nice clean and clear headlights, all powered by a 3.3 V6 engine. Good long-lasting Chrysler motor. Comes with the Le Bras hood guard. A few scratches and body damage on the outside. Got some scratches here along the door. And then as you can see, there's a pretty good dent here at the bottom of the passenger rear door. Cloth interior, comes with glove box storage, cup holders, couple power outlets, and dual climate controls. Also comes with a temperature gauge and compass in the above the rear view mirror there. Tinted windows for the rear seats. OEM mud guards, some corner bumper damage there, and some as well here. Rear seats fold down into the floor if you need more extra space. Just a standard manual lift gate. Comes with a rear windshield wiper and 3rd brake light. Van comes equipped also with roof racks. We're offering this van at one of our extremely affordable cars, so if you're looking for something inexpensive and can haul the whole family around, this is definitely it. So she fires right up, AC's ice cold, stereo sounds good. There's our compass temperature gauge, and we got our dual vanity mirrors, so everything's working. So there you have it, the beautiful 2007 Chrysler Town and Country LX. Find this low mileage van exclusively at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.